Hello, welcome back to my sewing room. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Robyn and I love sewing and crafts of all kinds. And today I want to show you one of the things that I'm making to sell at my craft show next week. I call this my fabric friends. It comes in a little caboodle like this. And inside are little templates I drew. A little kite, a little girl, a sailboat, and several different another little girl. And then I have tracing paper, fabric, some yarn, little pom-poms, some sequins and some little peel and stick diamonds, a container of buttons, and a pair of scissors and a glue stick. I created this kit to help teach children how to cut and paste and design, and maybe one day want to inspire them to maybe want to learn to sew. So what they'll do is they can take the tracing paper and place it on the design, trace it, cut out their pattern on the tracing paper, and then put this on the fabric, the tracing paper on the fabric, and cut out their design. And then take the fabric and glue it to the little template. And here are some examples I'm going to have on display at the craft show to show them some examples of what they can do. So I'm excited to see how this is going to go at the craft show. And this is the sign I made to display at my craft show. I made this little price tag using the free version of Canva, and it just came out so cute. I just love the little design at the top. It matches all the colors I'm using at my table. And this little heart placeholder I got at Dollar Tree in the wedding department. I thought it fit right in with my design. You know me and hearts, I love hearts. I will be posting a video series on my craft show. I will do one video on getting ready for the craft show and show you some more items that I will be selling at the craft show. And then I will do another video on the day of the craft show and show you my display and all the other tables at the craft show and what people are selling. And then I'll do a follow-up video on what sold and what didn't sell, and give you some tips and tricks on what to do and what not to do. So we'll see how this goes. And thanks for joining me today. Y'all have a so blessed day. Bye for now.